We're going to lower the boat down in.
Okay.
And so you can see that the left side is the motor on way over there, and the right side is this motor right here. And so you want to do them both at the same time. Throw it out.
Oh, down.
That's an easy mistake to make.
Yeah, because it looks like...
Look back here. You can see that it's getting closer and closer. The propeller's already underwater, obviously. Partially underwater. Water's nice and clear today. It's not a fast process.
You say something?
No, I'm just talking into the video. You can keep going. You can see basically there's an electric motor in there that turns the shaft, turns this, and then this whole shaft here spins. You can see that it basically just lets down this cable, which causes the whole thing to lower. And we have the same thing happening on this end. It's connected to the same shaft, so you know that the front and the back are going to lower at the same rate. And if the boat came in uneven or whatever, you could adjust one motor versus the other to cause it to even the boat up. But obviously you want to avoid that and do what you can to make sure that it goes on level. Yeah, we should be good.
Okay, you'll push it up. Done? Or more?
I think we're good. Yep.
Okay, as long as we don't go
Yeah.
straight into the
Yep, the boat is floating.
block or anything like
So
that. I did wonder if we need to be tied up at
it's
some
just that simple.
point.
And so now we're on here, and the boat is off the lift and it is ready to go. We're gonna take the boat out, and whenever we'll leave the lift the way it is, and whenever we come back, we'll pull in, and we'll basically do the opposite of what we just did.